Well, I decided to get myself a smaller, inexpensive garage heater that had a lot of good reviews on Amazon. So, I purchased a Elevoke electric heater, and at 256, I turned it on, and the temperature in here was 56 degrees. So now we're at 60 degrees, and it has only been 7 minutes. So here's how this little guy looks. You can tell by the size of my 13 chew sort of size we've got. And my hand gives you an idea too. But it comes in a box, and all you have to do is put the footrest on it. Very simple, no think. Your controls are really straightforward. Basically off, fan only, low and high. I have it set on high. And then overall off on switch. It's a 1500 watt device. Now the cord is only about 5 feet long, and it's not really heavy duty as far as what you'd have for a heating device, which I wish they'd used a heavier duty cord, because any kind of heating device usually needs a bigger cord. But so far it seems not to be a problem. I just have got it plugged into a heavy duty extension cord. If you are going to use an extension cord, do not put a wimpy extension cord, because you could get a fire, and Lord knows we don't need that. So this is your basic two-car garage full of this, that, and the other. But we will see. And your ceiling height, pretty basic. So we will see how this unit heats things up. I will tune back in. We'll check the temperature in about 15 minutes. I thought I'd go ahead and not talk and let you hear how relatively quiet the fan is. So that's almost like white noise, which, if you were putting this in an area where you were going to sleep, like a lot of people do, of what I read on Amazon, you would not have any problems getting to sleep. Well, we have 2 more minutes before our 15-minute time point. And then we'll check the temperature in here. Okay, this guy's been running for about another 15 or 16 minutes from our initial temperature check. So we started out at 56 degrees at 2:56. It is now 3:20, and the ambient temperature in the garage is right at about 61, 62. So it has come up, from a temperature of 56 degrees to around 62 degrees. So in about 20 minutes in this good sized garage, this little guy has brought the temperature up 6 degrees. So I'm going to do a longer run and let this guy go for another 30 minutes, and we'll check the temperature in here. With that guy a pretty good distance away over there, and me working at my bench here, we can see, or you can't see, but I can tell that it's warmer already. Be right back. Well, it's been more like 35, 40 minutes since I came back down here. Let's see what we're looking at. So within about an hour, we are up to what I can see here, about 64 degrees. So almost a full 10 degrees difference in about an hour of this guy running. I find that quite impressive. I'm wearing a flannel shirt in here. Excuse my drifting camera. And for a cold day outside, it is quite comfortable in here. You can't beat 66 degrees. There you go. So, I highly recommend this little Elevoke space heater. And I didn't pay over 40 bucks for it. And about 1,000 people gave it a 4.3 out of 5 on Amazon. And I believe they sold somewhere between 4,000 and 5,000 of these in the past month when you look at the sales rate. So, very good. Let's shut her down. Good job, good job. And the body of the thing is still cool, so that's nice. Very nice. All right, this is Source Code Dex, aka Jazz Fusion Guy, signing off on another one of his recommendation videos.